Voted as one of the top 5 LGBT film festivals in the world, Kashish Mumbai.
The 6th Mumbai International Queer Film Festival. हमने 2010 में ये प्रयास शुरू किया था कि एक मेन स्ट्रीम वेन्यू में LGBT फिल्म फेस्टिवल करें। वो टाइम पे the situation was any discussion around LGBT issues was not so much out there in the open. It was still hidden, still underground. Though 2009 में the Delhi High Court verdict, which decriminalized homosexuality, was a major step forward for us. So we got very emboldened, saying that we can, as you can see, Liberty Cinema, Alliance Francaise, and Max Miller Bhavan. The reason we had to increase the theatres because we received this year 700 films from all over the world. 700 films almost like 70 countries से आए, उसमें से हमने 180 films 44 countries से चुने हैं। एक प्रीव्यू टीम होती है जो ये सारे 700 films को देखते हैं और फाइनली सेलेक्ट करते हैं कि ये फिल्म जो है दिस इज रियली गुड फिल्म्स टू शो टू आवर ऑडियंस। उसमें वी ऑल्सो मेक श्योर दैट वी शो फिल्म्स विच आर नॉट होमोफोबिक, जो कम्युनिटी के खिलाफ हो या कोई ऐसा दिखाए जो कम्युनिटी को नीचा दिखाए, क्योंकि हमारा मेन उद्देश्य है कि ये फिल्म फेस्टिवल के जरिए एक पॉजिटिव मैसेजिंग करे। I mean, how do we say that LGBT community, LGBT persons are the same like anybody else? We have the same emotions. We laugh, we cry, we go to office, we work, we have parents. So we are all kind of quote unquote normal human beings. And usually India में अभी तक वो एक नजरिया है जो ये लोग अलग है। I mean, ये कौन लोग हैं, you know? So ये फिल्म्स जो दिखाए उसके जरिए हम दिखाना चाहते हैं कि सब लोग all over the world LGBT लोग भी normal है। So we're showing 180 films from 44 countries. That's a key thing, and out of which 45 films are in competition. And today we are privileged to have the jury, this year's jury. They're going to come up on stage and talk. One of the key things we are also doing is like this year we're also having an art exhibition. 23rd को एक art exhibition खुला हो, it will open, and the art exhibition is called 377 19-1. So 19-1, 19 Article 1 is basically about freedom of expression and freedom of choice. 377 is an article which criminalizes homosexuality. So the exhibition is called 377 19-1, and we are bringing 231 artists to have one painting each in a wall of solidarity. So we have around 278 paintings in all, and this will be shown for a month at Gallery Beyond. So I'm very excited that not just Kashish, not just cinema, but it's also actually talking about different kinds of art forms like painting, then we have book readings, we have panel discussion. So that's some of the new things we are trying to add to what Kashish is about. Not because we want to expand. The idea is not to just make Kashish biggest, it is already big, but not really to make it bigger. But mainly to provide more options for the audience to choose from. Okay, किसी को book reading में जाना है, किसी को art exhibition जाना है, किसी को screening में जाना है. So I think Kashish right now, being South Asia's biggest queer film festival, offers a diversity of programming, diversity of experiences, and that is what Kashish is going to be. We are privileged that we are working with some of our regular sponsors who have brought some amount of funding to our festival. We are actually, sorry, this is you're going to see it in the trailer. But we're going to have basically MAC Foundation, MAC AIDS Fund, which is supporting us. MAC is a cosmetic company, but they also have an AIDS fund. We're supporting them. IBM is supporting us for the second year. And we have Diva Project. Diva Project is a collaboration with Humsafar Trust and Global Fund. Vivek will talk about it later. They are one of our associate partners. And we are very, very happy to have Anupam Kherji again sponsoring the top cash awards up to 95,000 rupees. The top four categories are sponsored by Anupamji. So we're really privileged that a lot of people have come together to work with us and make this festival happen. We did a crowdfunding. We raised 2.7 lakh rupees through just crowdfunding. 75 people actually contributed to make this crowdfunding happen, and we are really happy. किसी ने 500 दिया, किसी ने 1000 दिया, किसी ने 5000 दिया, किसी ने 15000 दिया, and this whole collective effort that हम कशिश के साथ है, and I think that is the key, and we are very happy. And today we are very happy to start a process where we are announcing the festival. I would like to request Vivek Anand, CEO of Humsafar Trust. Humsafar Trust is the co-organizer of Kashish, organizer of Solan's Pictures. Please, Vivek.
दो जुलाई 2009 पे दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट जो है वो होमोसेक्सुअलिटी को डिक्रिमिनलाइज करता है। कुछ लोग समझते हैं कि दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट का जजमेंट गलत है तो उसे चैलेंज करते हैं। 4 साल बाद बहुत ही अजीब सा लगता है, मगर कुछ लोग जिनका पूरा बैकड्रॉप रिलीजन में है, जो रिलीजियस ग्राउंड्स पर लड़ रहे हैं, कुछ लोग जो एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स हैं वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाते हैं और वो कहते हैं कि दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट का जजमेंट गलत है। और 11 दिसंबर 2013 को सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहता है कि वो सही है, हम गलत हैं। मगर इस दौरान 2009 और 2013 के बीच में एक फसल है पूरी की पूरी जो जवान होती है, यंग बच्चे 18, 19, 20 साल, 21 साल के, जो खुद को समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। वो एक ऐसे वातावरण में बाहर आकर अपनी सेक्सुअलिटी को डिस्कस करते हैं जहाँ पर होमोसेक्सुअल होना, गे होना, लेस्बियन होना, बाइसेक्सुअल होना या ट्रांस होना गुनाह नहीं है। और एक दिन अचानक से इन बच्चों को कहा जाता है कि आप गुनहगार हैं। उनके बारे में ये सोचना, जब उनके पेरेंट्स आपके पास आते हैं और उनके पेरेंट्स आपको बोलते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा जैसा है मुझे कबूल है, मगर ये गुनहगार है, इसको अगर पुलिस पकड़ के ले जाएगी तो हम क्या करेंगे। बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है। ये जो लड़ाई है ये आज शायद इतनी हमारे लिए नहीं है, ये मगर उस यूथ के लिए है, वो यंगस्टर्स के लिए है जिन्हें भी अपनी पूरी जिंदगी जीनी है। और वो पूरी जिंदगी एक मैं गुनहगार हूँ, मैं क्रिमिनल हूँ, इस डर से नहीं जी सकते। कशिश कहीं पर उस यूथ को एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करता है कि आप हैं, आप सही हैं, आप बाहर आइए, आप खड़े होइए दुनिया के सामने। बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी थी जब कशिश 2010 में शुरू हुआ था, मगर पहले हम पीवीआर में गए, फिर हम सिनेमैक्स में गए, फिर हम लिबर्टी में गए। इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मिनिस्ट्री से क्लियरेंस लेना पड़ता है, पुलिस परमिशंस होती हैं, बहुत सारे इश्यूज होते हैं। मगर एक पब्लिक स्पेस में खड़े होना, एक लिबर्टी सिनेमा में जाना और कहना एक स्टेटमेंट है कि हम अलग हैं, हम विकृत नहीं हैं। आई एम डिफरेंट, आई एम नॉट डिविएंट। डोंट पुश दैट एजेंडा ऑन मी, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट इट। एंड Kashish for me is dedicated to all the youth, the volunteers of Kashish who make Kashish what it is. You know, wonderful parents like you who make Kashish what it is, the festival team of Kashish. But the films that come, you know, like it's a mighty proud moment for us कि 700 फिल्में आती हैं दुनिया भर से। अब हम उनमें से सिलेक्ट करते हैं। हम हर साल हम एक स्टेटमेंट करते हैं सोसाइटी में कि हम हैं, हम एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं। एज हमसफर जब से कशिश शुरू हुआ है, हमने साथ में काम करना शुरू किया, 6 साल से हम करते जा रहे हैं। और ये जो पार्टनरशिप है, ये हमेशा ये इस बात का सिंबल है कि ये हमारी एक लड़ाई है। ये सिर्फ सिनेमा नहीं है, ये उसके कहीं ज़्यादा आगे जाएगी। हम अपने लिए खड़े होंगे, हम लोग अपने लिए खड़े हैं आज यहाँ पर क्योंकि हम एग्जिस्ट करते हैं। और जिस नेचर ने आपको बनाया है वो मुझे भी बनाता है, तो मैं नेचर का हिस्सा हूँ, मैं गलत नहीं हूँ। इस स्पिरिट के साथ कशिश फॉर मी is dedicated to the youth of today, and we are very, very happy to be part of it. Thank you.
Thank you for such a moving speech. I just want to say one thing, जो विवेक ने बताया उससे आगे बढ़ के, कि काफ़ी इंडिया में क्रिमिनल है बट फिर भी हमें काफ़ी आज़ादी है. We are able to stand here, have this press conference, show the films, have a theatre like Liberty, show so many films. But there are many festivals, many countries where there's still a problem. So हमारे फेस्टिवल में काफ़ी ऐसा कंट्रीज पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, जैसे श्रीलंका से फिल्म है, ईरान से फिल्म है, लेबनान से फिल्म है, जॉर्जिया से फिल्म है, नेपाल से फिल्म है. सो वी वेरी हैप्पी कि उस देश में भी लोग फिल्म मेकर्स कैसे भी दे मेकिंग दिस फिल्म्स. and they're making these films and trying to send it to festivals like Kashish so that unki awaaz duniya bhar mein pahunche. So we're very privileged that we are actually showing films from so many different countries. So we're going to show a small trailer which shows what Kashish is all about. Thank you.
An Indian filmmaker and a music aficionado. Trained to be a mechanical engineer, he drifted into filmmaking during the early 90s. His directorial journey commenced with the gritty noir TV show Shikhas, followed by the magnum opus TV serial Seahawks. Anubhav has directed over 100 music videos over 2 years with some of the most acclaimed singers of the time, like Sonu Nigam, Jagjit Singh, Pankaj Udhas, and a host of other star performers. His debut feature film Tum Bin was a super hit in 2001 and remains a much-loved love story 14 years after its release. His next venture, Thus, released in 2005 and was one of the biggest openers of the year. His last release was Ravan with superstar Shah Rukh Khan, and it opened to unprecedented collections at the box office. As a producer, Anubhav produced country's first underwater 3D film, Warning, and this is something I think which everyone would like. He has the credit of bringing together two of the most iconic stars in recent times, Madhuri Dixit and Juhi Chawla, together in a movie called Gulab Gang. As a producer, Anubhav's last release in November 2014 was the musical success Zip. So I'm really happy that Anubhav Sinha is part of the jury of Kashish 2016. The next person I'd like to invite is Ms. Chitra Palekar. A postgraduate in economics and a lead actor-director in Avantgarde Theatre of Mumbai since 1967. Chitra Palekar began her multifaceted career in films in 1981 as the producer and lead actor of Akhariyat, which won the Special Jury Award at NAMS. She has scripted Hindi, Marathi films like Thoda Sa Rumani Ho Jaye, Kairi, Kal Ka Aadmi, Dhyas Parv, and written additional screenplay for Bhangarwadi and Daira. She has also written and produced quality television serials such as Kachi Dhoop and Naqab. But what most of the, from the LGBT community is really proud of Chitra Palekar is that she is also an out and proud mother of a lesbian daughter, and she was also one of the parents who had petitioned the Supreme Court against Section 377. Ms. Chitra Palekar, we are really fortunate to have you as a jury of Kashish 22. The next person that we have on the jury is Mr. Amir Bashir. Amir Bashir is a national award-winning filmmaker, actor and model. Born in Srinagar, Kashmir, Amir Bashir started his career as a television journalist and travel show host before moving to Mumbai in 1998 to pursue a career in acting. Amir's commitment to acting has seen him excel in many independent films like Clever and Lonely, Split Wide Open, The Great Indian Butterfly, Peopling Light, and the award-winning Frozen. Harur, his maiden venture as a writer, director and producer, won the Don Quixote Award at the Fribourg International Film Festival in 2011 and the prestigious National Award for Best Film in Urdu in 2013. Amir is currently working on the sequel to Harur titled Winter. Winter was one of the 12 projects shortlisted for the Biennial College Cinema Fund in 2013. Amir, thanks a lot for joining us on this dais and also on the jury of Kashish 2015. The next person I'd like to introduce, she was once a pillar of social moves. Ma'am, Malvika Sanghvi. I think most journalists would know her. She is a journalist, editor, author and columnist with 3 decades of experience in media and has edited leading newspapers in India and written some of the world's most respected, international journals like the New York Times and Sunday Times. She has also been responsible for creating a number of media trends and in the process has been regarded as a pioneer in lifestyle journalism. She is a seasoned professional who has career spans over 40 teleserials, 16 films, and more than 19 major stage productions. An NSD alumni, Meghna Malik, has also worked in the NSD. repertory company from 1997 to 1999. She has served as jury on the Indian Telly Awards and the International Emmy Award semi-finals. The Election Commission of India chose her as an icon for the state of Haryana in 2012. Meghna Malik is an avid traveler to foreign lands and loves to interact with new people and different cultures. She is also passionate about driving, is a socially responsible person and willing to come forward for any genuine charitable cause. Thank you. So what we have as a format is basically the jury will speak first and then
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for coming here. 37 degrees I saw in the car, which is 37 degrees. Thank you all for coming here. And you know, I have a belief that anything that you can do more than thrice is something that you truly believe in. So this is the 6th year of this. So congratulations for doing it 6 times. First of all, at the beginning, you can talk about it. And it's we've started watching some films. The first day we ended up watching like 19. Where is Upasana? Yeah, so 19 you've seen, and some really great films from all over. And you know, sexuality is something that in India as a cultural entity we don't like to talk about, let alone alternate sexuality. So it's wonderful to see so many films that deal with different aspects and stages of alternate sexuality. It's a good, fantastic window to see, you know, various moods and facets of this not so very well accepted choice in the world society. So I'm very happy that I'm watching all those films and we will know a lot more about this world. Yes, sir. And thank you again for being here.
Ms. Malik, Shilpa Malik.
I love Kashish. I've always been a part of it. You can hear me? So there's nothing new about it. I'm part of the queer community as a parent. Now, this is a chance for me to combine various aspects of my life, like my life as a filmmaker and my life as a mother and part of this community. And so thank you, Kashish, for inviting me to be on the jury. What I feel is that in my work, what I have realized is that the law is against is the law is. I can just speak. It was very sad for all of us that the Supreme Court judgment went against Article 377 was not removed and it was against our community. However, I feel that the society can move much forward, and it's the understanding of the various issues of LGBT and that the people must have. Because I feel that there are too many myths, too many prejudices, which even when the law changes, is not going to change the situation. And this Kashish is one opportunity I've always felt for everybody, whether it's film lovers, whether it's the people, all over the mainstream society, and especially the parents and families who often are confused or worried and all, for them to know more, for them to know deeply the various issues, and especially for the families and all, to feel that, oh, we are not the only ones. This exists all over, in all classes, in all professions, in all countries, and that would make a huge difference in future. Thank you.
such a privilege and an honor to be part of the jury for Kashish, because gay rights are human rights. If we discriminate against people who live within our communities, who work with us, who are part of our family, we are doing a grave injustice not only to them but to ourselves. The gay community, for time immemorial, has always been known to be one of the most creative and humane, sensitive communities over the years. It has given us some wonderful works of art, of film, of poetry, of music. And the more we have festivals and events like Kashish, the more we embrace this community and we enrich ourselves. I watched some of the movies on Sunday and it was absolutely delightful. One thing I'd like to say is that luckily and fortunately we've got over that phase where, you know, there's that nudge nudge, wink wink, we're going to see a gay movie kind of thing. There was nothing like that. These were movies about the human spirit, about issues of politics, about issues of everyday life, and that is what will slowly win people over and make them realize that we cannot discriminate against a community. And I have every hope that there will be a day soon when we will not need to have a different festival for queer people, that it'll be one festival for everybody. But until then, it's a very good thing because gay people need reference points. All the films mainstream are heterosexual, art is heterosexual, literature is heterosexual, and it must be indeed a very lonely place to be gay and not have reference cultural points to live by and to share with other people. So I'm really, really proud and happy to support Kashish and the gay community in whatever way I can. Thank you.
I think most of them have said what all of us wanted to say. But I just want to thank Kashish, Sridhar and Vivek for giving me this opportunity as a filmmaker, as a storyteller, and as an artist to stand along a community which is being denied its very basic human rights. Being a Kashmiri, I guess it comes naturally to me to stand with the oppressed. And I was just browsing yesterday and just coincidentally happened to come across this quote by Bertrand Russell, the British philosopher. And it goes, "The defenders of traditional morality are seldom people with warm hearts. One is tempted to think that they value morals as affording a legitimate outlet for their desire to inflict pain. The sinner is fair game, and therefore away with tolerance." So I think it's, this whole idea of the stand against homosexuality as being a moral stand, and that homosexuals are sinners or deviants, it actually comes from this this deep desire to inflict pain on the other. So thank you once again, Sridhar and Kashish, for giving me this opportunity. You asked me last year, I'm sorry I couldn't be here. Thank you for giving me this opportunity once more. I'm really happy and privileged to be part of it. Thank you.
आप सब लोगों को मेरी नमस्कार। और शुरुआत में मैं सबसे पहले श्रीधर, विवेक, कशिश की पूरी टीम को बधाई देना चाहूँगी। इट्स अ मैसिव एफर्ट, दे हैव एंटर्ड द 6th ईयर। 180 फिल्में 44 कंट्रीज से लोगों को जोड़ना, कनेक्ट करना और हम लोगों तक पहुंचाना, और हमारे देश में एक ऐसा फेस्टिवल हो रहा है। इट रिक्वायर्स लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी, लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ, एंड इट्स अ वेरी वेरी ब्रेव एफर्ट, आई मस्ट से। एंड जहाँ तक की अभी बातें हो रही थी, चित्रा जी कह रही थी कि जो राइट्स हैं और जो लीगल जो एक लड़ाई है वो तो कोर्ट रूम में चलती रहेगी, पर कशिश अपने इन फिल्मों के माध्यम से अपनी लड़ाई लड़ रहा है। और मेरी आप लोगों से मेरा यही निवेदन है कि आप अपने पाठकों तक ये जो इन लोगों ने पहल की है, हम तो साथ हैं ही, यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं जितने भी लोग हैं, तो हमारा तो साथ है ही। आप लोग भी पाठकों तक ये बातें पहुँचाएं। जितना फिल्मों के माध्यम से एक सोशल अवेयरनेस क्रिएट की जा सकती है, वो कशिश की टीम कर रही है, पर इसमें आप लोगों का भी एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण आप अपना अदा कर सकते हैं, अपना पार्ट जो है। एंड आई विल ओनली से दैट फॉर द ऑनर, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड me as an actor, I'm looking forward to these films. For me, it is a different experience of watching different emotions, different conflicts of the actors in these films. I don't think I've had such an experience before. I do have friends, but as Anubhav said, कि अलग-अलग स्टेजेस, अलग-अलग एस्पेक्ट्स उनके जो सामने आ रहे हैं, और हमने कुछ फिल्में देखी हैं, तो वो मेरे लिए एक नया एक्सपीरियंस है। एंड ऑल्सो few little very time that I have spent with the fellow jury members, I'm learning a lot from them. चित्रा जी 60s की बातें करती हैं, तो वो भी मुझे इसके साथ साथ वो सारी चीज़ें भी मुझे यहाँ मिल रही हैं। सो मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ बहुत बहुत श्रीधर, एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। Vivek, I wish you all the best and your entire team. Thanks for having me here today.
Just one question before we go on with as a jury member, what are you looking for in these films? Like you will be watching almost 45 films as a jury member. What are you looking for?
I think that's what I said. As an actor, मेरे लिए एक नया experience है, पर वही बात है कि चाहे विवेक भी कह रहे थे और कि हम different हैं, पर since I'm here today, I do not even see them differently. But as an actor, I will see that the actors who are in the films, again, the same conflicts and the same emotion. Basically, they will be struggling with that. And as far as the narratives are concerned, the complexities of living that life, of struggling with their identity, of being able to express themselves. So I think that's what is we are going to find it, and how truly they are going to be represented in various films and in various lengths as feature or short films and documentaries.
Looking forward to seeing good cinema, as I would see any other movie which reveals the human spirit, which gives me a deeper understanding of another human condition. So I'm not going to look at these films through the prism of gay films. I'm going to look at them through the prism of good cinema. They will be judged along with all the great films from all over the world that constitute the body of work that we say is great cinema. So I'm not making any concessions that they come from the gay community or anything. I think we as a people must look beyond that and judge them for their worth and compare them to the best, and I'm sure they will be.
So the films will be, all the films will be about the various issues and concerns about the LGBT community and what either their feelings or the politics or the laws in their countries, etc. So what she says is quite right. I mean, when I watch a film, I like it to be a good film. But beyond that, I also would like to see how the same concerns are expressed in various forms. I'm also looking for different forms because the content is different. And therefore, I'm hoping that it gets expressed through a variety of forms. And that's what would excite me a lot.
No, it's what Malvika said. We are looking at films purely as films. There is no discriminatory viewpoint. As far as our gaze is concerned, there wouldn't be any point in being a member of the jury if we were going down that road. So it's basically looking at films purely as films, the subject matter that they're dealing with, and basically the art of storytelling. That's about it. If they're able to tell or put their viewpoint across clearly, complicatedly, whichever way, it is just, we're looking at stories, human stories.
Ditto to my fellow juniors.
Yeah, before I open the floor to the I mean, usually सबसे ज़्यादा films तो USA से आती है. First of all, USA बहुत बड़ी country है. USA and Canada makes most of the films. So we have, I think, we are showing around, I think, almost like 35, 40 films from USA. Largest country. Canada is another. Sorry.
The director of programming Sagar Gupta. So उस हिसाब से आई थिंक इस सवाल का जवाब मैं ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से दे सकता हूँ. इसके लिए सॉरी श्रीधर, सॉरी विजय जी बीच में बटन करने के लिए. लेकिन हमेशा यही होता है, बीइंग द लार्जेस्ट कंट्री एंड लार्जेस्ट मीडिया प्रोड्यूसर इन द वर्ल्ड, यूएस गेट्स द बिगेस्ट टॉप नॉच कैटेगरी. बट अभी एक जो बदलाव देखने में आ रहा है, आई एम पर्टिकुलरली टॉकिंग अबाउट द एलजीबीटी सिनेमा. We are getting different kind of cinemas from various countries all around the world, and even this year, as Sridhar has mentioned, about 35 films are there from US, which includes all the short films and short narratives, documentaries, narrative features. But we also have UK coming up and Australia coming up. In fact, this year we have a country focus on Australia. So we managed to get right from the classics, as Sridhar has also mentioned about one of the iconic films from Australia about the adventures of Priscilla Queen and Head On by Anna Kokinas, who is a very renowned Australian director. Plus we have films on sports from Australia, which is like surfing, about surfing, LGBT sports people in surfing. So there are films about that. And as returning to your question, like UK is of course coming up, and Australia is catching up with around, we have almost 18 films from Australia this year. And apart from that, we also managed to get films from difficult very difficult countries like Lebanon, and I am not know to pronounce those countries. What is that? Montenegro, like Montenegro, and even the Venezuela, like those kind of countries. ज़बान फिसलती है उनका नाम लेते हुए, लेकिन वहाँ से भी फिल्में आ रही हैं. So I think it's like a very great achievement. अपना ढोल अपने आप पीट रहे, लेकिन हाँ ये हो रहा है.
Announced in the last day of the festival, so I will not be able to reveal that at this point in time. So we'll wait for that.
कुछ नहीं, मुझे श्रीधर का फोन आया कि हम लोग आपको इस बार इनवाइट करना चाहते हैं, आप जूरी पर आएँ, और मैंने कहा मैं आ जाऊँगा, मैं आ गया.
जानते हैं कि काफ़ी एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी है LGBT जो है LGBT कई सारे डिफरेंट कंट्रीज से आई है, डिफरेंट कंट्रीज से आए हैं। तो आज भी देयर आर सम बैरियर्स इन इंडिया की जो यहाँ पे भी हुए हैं, तो उसमें बैरियर्स है जनरेशन को लेके कि जैसे सेक्सुअलिटी को लेके काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं।
जी।
तो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाट रिएक्शन ऑन इट?
व्हाट्स माय रिएक्शन ऑन?
जैसे जानते हैं कि
मैं
जी
मतलब भारत में अगर देखा जाए तो इन लोगों की तरफ देखने का नज़रिया काफ़ी गलत भी रहा है, कहीं जगह पर अच्छा है, अलग अलग तरीके की रिएक्शंस हैं। इस फिल्म फेस्टिवल में आप बतौर जूरी जा रही हैं, तो क्या क्या अलग अलग चीज़ें देखने को मिली हैं? क्या आपका भी देखने का नज़रिया जो है उसको बदलाव हुआ है? जैसे कि बताया जा रहा है अलग अलग एज ग्रुप के भी लोगों की ये कहानियाँ बता रही हुई है सारी फिल्में, तो आपका नज़रिया किस तरीके से बदला है? क्या नया आपको इस फेस्टिवल के जरिए देखने को मिल रहा है?
देखिए, अगर हिंदुस्तानी समाज की बात करें तो हमारे यहाँ सेक्सुअलिटी के बारे में बात करना, इवन मर्द औरत जो ट्रेडिशनल सेक्सुअल रिलेशनशिप है उसके बारे में भी बात करना एक टैबू है, बात करते नहीं है। और हम इस वक्त ऑल्टरनेट सेक्सुअलिटी की बात करें तो वो तो बिल्कुल ही और भी ज़्यादा टैबू है। ये कोई नया फिनोमिनन ऐसा कोई हुआ नहीं, ये आपके समाज में मतलब हजारों साल से है, ये आप अपने इतिहास में पढ़ सकते हैं। उसको बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट वैसा भी मैं अनफॉर्चुनेट मैं छोटे शहर का हूँ तो मैंने देखी है ये चॉइस लोगों की अपने गिर्द। फिर मैं बड़े शहर में आया तो वहाँ ज़्यादा ओपनली देखा लोगों के में ये समाज को ये एक्सेप्ट कर लेने की ज़रूरत है कि ये एक सेक्सुअलिटी की लोगों की चॉइस है जो वो उसको प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और हमको उसका सम्मान करना चाहिए। जैसे हम लोग अभी मैं सुन रहा था बार बार लोग बात करते हैं लोग डिफरेंट हैं, वो खुद भी कहते हैं मैं डिफरेंट हूँ, मुझे समझ नहीं आता। कुछ लोग दाढ़ी रखते हैं, कुछ लोग दाढ़ी नहीं रखते, तो वो भी डिफरेंट है ना। कुछ लोग सर के बाल मुड़ा लेते हैं, वो भी डिफरेंट है। बट सेक्सुअलिटी को लेकर के हम लोग थोड़ा गॉसिपिंग करते हैं, इसलिए शायद इतनी बात। मुझे लगता है एक वक्त ऐसा आएगा हमारे समाज में जब हम इससे आगे निकल जाएंगे, जैसे बहुत सारे समाज दुनिया में निकल गए हैं। तो जैसे श्रीधर बोल रहे थे कि हिंदुस्तानी फिल्में आज भी कुंठा के बारे में बात करती हैं, जबकि विदेशी फिल्में LGBT कम्युनिटी के बारे में वो रिश्तों के बारे में ही बात कर लेती है। मतलब दे कैन मेक अ कॉमेडी अबाउट टू गे पीपल एंड नॉट डिस्कस द बैरियर्स एट ऑल। आई थिंक इंडिया विल गेट देयर, द सोसाइटी विल slowly kind of more casually accepted.
क्या अनुभव भी आने वाले समय में ऐसे किसी टॉपिक पर फिल्म बनाना चाहेंगे? जैसे आप देख रहे हैं अलग अलग, जैसे आपने कहा कि आज तक इंडिया में जितनी भी फिल्में बनी हैं वो इसके प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बात करते हैं। क्या इस फेस्टिवल के बाद आप भी कुछ सोचेंगे इस तरीके की फिल्म बनाने की या ऐसा टॉपिक छेड़ने की जिसके बारे में भारत में पहले से ही इतनी सारी गलतफहमियाँ हैं?
मुझे पता नहीं, अभी तक मेरे दिमाग में ऐसी कोई कहानी नहीं है और कोई ऐसी एक मोमेंट या ऐसा कोई रिश्ता जो मुझे ऐसा इंस्पायर करे कि उस बारे में फिल्म बनानी चाहिए तो मैं ज़रूर बनाऊँगा। I don't think you have a switch or a dial that you can suddenly crank it up and change it. Yeah, the society will slowly get more casual about it. A mother will get more okay about her daughter coming and telling her, I am gay. And she'll say, okay, so who do you love? And slowly that will happen. You can't crank it up and one day just change it in the society. And it's happening. And I think the law and the all those things also need to stand by. They should not just shut their eyes to a reality.
Do you feel that we are too hypocrite to accept?
Yes, we are too hypocrite to accept, especially sexuality. And I'm in shock that they say it's a criminal act, but they can live and they can have a film festival. It is a height of hypocrisy. I don't understand what it is. So yeah, I hope someday some good coffee is served in some courtrooms and they smell it well.
But do you really think it's that easy?
What is that easy?
About this kashish, is it 337 को रखा ही गया?
377.
377 आर्टिकल अभी भी है वो.
जी.
So do you really think कि इतना easy रहेगा ये कशिश के थ्रू ये मैसेज पहुंचाना लोगों को?
कशिश अकेला नहीं चेंज कर देगा. a whole lot of efforts need to be made, and slowly it will change. Of course it will change. But yeah, one film festival can't individually, independently change society or laws or constitution. But yeah, voices get together and they speak and things happen.
Is there any categories you have criticized, like क्या select करना है, कोई ऐसी planning करी है काशिश movies में, आप लोगों ने कुछ plannings की है movies को लेके?
नहीं, देखिए वो तो कैटेगरीज बनी हुई है, तो प्लानिंग तो कैटेगरीज में रही है, पर जब तक हम देखेंगे नहीं, प्लानिंग कुछ नहीं होता है. इट इज़ ए स्पॉन्टेनियस रिस्पॉन्स एंड वी ऑल टुगेदर वट एवर वी सी, जो भी देखा जाएगा, चाहे वो शॉर्ट फिल्म है, नैरेटिव फीचर है, शॉर्ट नैरेटिव है, डॉक्यूमेंट्री है, शॉर्ट डॉक्यूमेंट्री है. सो दोज थिंग्स आर प्लान्ड फॉर अस बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, बट एज फार एज वी आर कंसर्न, वी आर जस्ट गोना गो विद द फ्लो ऑफ द एंटायर फेस्टिवल.
जिसे हम जानते हैं कि दूसरे देशों में भी ये पिक्चरें आई जाएगी, दूसरे देशों से भी पिक्चरें बनी हुई है, शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बनी हुई है, तो कहीं ना कहीं इंडिया आज भी पीछे है उन सब चीज़ों को लेके कि दूसरे देशों में लोग इजीली बातें कर सकते हैं किस एंड ऑल थिंग्स को, बट इंडिया आज भी उतना डाइवर्स नहीं हुआ है. तो लाइक उसको लेकर आप लोगों का क्या रिएक्शन?
आपको किसी को पूछिए, आप लोगों का मतलब एवरीबॉडी विल स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग एट वन टाइम.
एक्चुअली आई वांट एवरीवन रिएक्शन.
That is very, it will take too long, no? Like ask somebody, ask Amir or ask her or ask somebody. Huh.
The question was that how do we in India, how backward or regressive are we? We are very, but I think festivals like this will address that issue and take us one step closer to the required goal, which is dignity for everybody, regardless of what their sexual orientation, their caste, their creed, their color. It's just part of a human, it's a plateau of human rights that we are working towards, and Kashish will go one step towards that.
Okay. Ma'am, my question is for you. Actually, I'm very proud of that as a mother you supported your daughter. So how difficult it was in society to face that?
Oh, for me it was not difficult at all, because that is reality. And
staying in Indian culture,
I'm telling you, it was not difficult for me.
not at all.
No, because I don't believe in that sort of hypocrisy. So when she said, and we love her, me, her father, and the whole family and friends, we all love her. She's not different, she's the same, isn't it? I mean, just because she's a lesbian suddenly doesn't mean that she's going to get some horns or something like that. She's the same person that she was.
And
I would still love her even if she had horns.
And considering it's not her choice, she was born
and
that
then,
way. I mean,
and being a lesbian is a natural thing, and so there is nothing to be upset about it. Okay, what will other people say? Well, if you are the type of person who thinks all the time of other people rather than of your own child's happiness, then it's a different matter. Well, I don't. I think I love my child more than the thoughts about other people.
A lot of people think that it is an ailment, that it is some kind of a deformity, deviant behavior, that it can be changed somehow, surgically, medically, scientifically, it can be changed.
Or shocks they
But
get.
I think the only thing that can be changed is the way you think.
Yeah.
Because sexuality cannot be changed.
Yeah.
It is scientifically proven. It cannot
So
be changed.
I read a beautiful
Bigotry
quotation
can be changed.
which said that homosexuality is not a choice, homophobia is a choice.
And therefore I feel that a festival like Kashish can help people realize their all the myths, prejudices, and all the wrong ideas they have about the community. And when they get more understanding, it's not because they are doing it because they want to hurt somebody, it's because they don't have understanding, they don't have knowledge, information. And through Kashish films, they can be entertained, people can be entertained, and therefore as well as get information. And I, through this medium, I'm inviting all the family members and friends of all the LGBT people, do come and watch films at Kashish. It will make you very happy.
Thank you.